Project Tambo. I'll put it in the description of this video. Yeah, it's a cracking watch. It's a top lad. So it's too dark, I apologise, but I'm on the motorway and I can't be messing around with cameras. So yeah, back to solo Pollard for a little bit. A few days anyway. And then after this, I'm going to be doing a meet-up. I'm going to a meet-up on Friday, I think. That's somewhere in Essex, so that's why I'm sort of heading over this way now. So I'm in the area. Yeah, I've put a spot in. I found a park for night, just to head that direction. I don't know if it's going to be any good or not. Oh, I had a nightmare. I've had a nightmare, folks. I just checked the camera and all the footage that I did this morning is in slow-mo with no audio. So, sorry about that. Right, the spot's just over here, right buried in the woods. Looks alright. Doesn't say no overnight parking or anything, I don't think. Let's go have a look. You know, there's loads of space up there. It's nice over there, but I don't want to be in the trees because I need internet. I need solar. Question is though, the burning question: how am I going to have enough internet to upload a video? That is the question, and the answer is probably no, because I don't even have 4G. Oh, bloody hell. Right, so video is on. Managed to get it uploaded, as you will have seen by now. I'm just going to move because, as always, I've managed to park in the spot that has no sunlight. I'm being a bit ginger because I've left everything out in the back. That's better. Tilt the panels for a couple of hours now. I think you've all seen me do this before. But for those that haven't, there's not much sun left in the day, only a few hours, but I'm not getting much of it at all at the minute. So. There we go. Tilted. See the sun's there. So it don't take many minutes to bang them up, so it'd be stupid not to, really. Missing out on all the sun. There we go, look. We're back in Chamonix mode, except we're in Hertfordshire. It's all good. Job of the day is food. I'm actually going to cook myself a meal tonight rather than just having something shit, because although noodles and burgers are nice, I need to mix it up a little bit. Hopefully I don't get any aggro in this spot. There's a couple of people up here smoking by the looks of it, but as long as they keep themselves to themselves, then it should be alright. Oh, look at that, tin of Super U tomatoes. I'm going to be seeing another one of them for a little while. There we go, proper meal. Now I'm going to sit down and watch some telly. Right, so as predicted, we've got some knob jocks over there doing donuts in the middle of the field.